Are you ready to revolutionize how you can create financial models? Traditional approaches to financial modeling, while detailed, often demand time, effort, and precision, and yet they can still be vulnerable to errors and subjective biases. This Starweaver original course, produced in partnership with Udemy, is designed to transform your approach to financial modeling. Welcome to Financial Modeling with Generative AI. I'm Manish Gupta and I bring over 2 decades of expertise in financial modeling. Through extensive experimentation, I have discovered how to leverage generative AI to simplify processes, reduce errors, and make them faster and smarter. In this course, we will explore how generative AI is reshaping the financial landscape. You will uncover how to master the core concepts of AI, build predictive models, and apply advanced techniques like optimization and reinforcement learning, all in a hands-on, practical way that immediately enhance your skill set. Across 4 immersive modules, you will learn to differentiate generative AI from traditional models, create precise AI prompts, and design models trained to real-world challenges. You will also tackle dynamic scenarios, enabling you to make smarter, data-driven decisions with ease and confidence. This course will also take you through the exact steps I took to build financial models in the hospitality industry. You will get access to sample data, codes, and assignments to practice what you learned during the course. Additionally, I will actively monitor the course to resolve your queries even after you complete it, ensuring that you are guided in implementing these techniques in real-life scenarios. This course goes beyond theory. It equips you with the tools to integrate AI seamlessly into your financial processes, saving valuable time and discovering sharper results. Don't just keep up with the change. Become a leader in AI-powered financial modeling. Enroll now and take the first step towards mastering this game-changing technology. I'll see you inside.